What up, people? Hey, I'm back with another video, man. It's 87 there, says boy. Not gonna be a long video, nothing crazy. We're working with the Nissan Sentra again today. 2021 Nissan Sentra SV, which they all the same as far as the, you know, whatever trim you get, they'll be all the same as far as the engine and batteries, headlights, all that stuff. So did the video on the headlight bulbs. Now we're doing a video on the battery install. So if you got a 2021 Nissan Sentra and you don't know how to install your new battery, then you in the right place, man. I appreciate y'all tapping in with me. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so be notified when I'm dropping these videos. Let's get on right into it, man. So first things first, we got the battery. We got a new battery here. The battery for this car is a H5 AGM. This, you can put a different battery in there. You can put a standard battery in there, but the book calls for AGM battery for this vehicle. And the size is H5. Got my tools here, which this is the little battery cover, protective cover. This is the battery hold down, and the bolt. The bolt, if I'm not mistaken, is a 1/2 inch or 13. Yep. And then we got a 10 here. The 10 is for the battery terminals. So first things first, hood latch. You gotta pop that hood. If you don't know where your hood latch is, there it go. Pop the hood. Come on over here and you're gonna feel under here for your little lever, and you push it to the passenger side and lift the hood at the same time. Then you have your hood prop, which is located right here. Pop that open, put it in the hole. Now your hood is open and you don't have to hold it, right? Battery located on the driver's side. Like I said, I got an H6 in here. This is the wrong battery for this vehicle. This battery is too big. As you can see, this battery moves around while it's in here because it's too big and it covers the hold down spot. So what we're gonna do is put the correct battery in here. That way we can put the hold down on there and be safe and pass inspection. So first thing we got here is a 10 millimeter socket. 10 millimeter socket goes right there. Make sure you're loosening it. That's loose. So you can take your hand, pull it up and off. Easy. Then you got this one here. This is a 10 millimeter as well. Put it on there. Loosen it up. Now you can remove this terminal. All right, so just like that, the battery is unhooked. Good thing this battery has a handle. Grab the handle, lift it up out of there. All right, so as y'all can see, this battery is slightly longer than this one. That's why it wouldn't fit, because this hold down has to go here with that bolt. So this hold down goes in there just like that, and then it bolts down. So we're just gonna leave that hold down there. We're gonna take the H5. So yeah, just make sure before you put it in, make sure it's orientated correctly. You got your negative here and your positive here. So that means the battery is actually gonna go in this way. So go ahead and put it in there. Drop that in there. Now you see all that space you got. So I can actually put my hold down in here now. So the hold down is there. There we go. Hold down is in. Grab my bolt. Put Put it in. And I'm gonna need this extension. Yes, sir. Got my extendo on. So now we can go ahead and crank her on down. And this is more like a 13. I got a half on here, so it's not exactly right. But we ain't perfect over here, y'all. We are not perfect. We gonna make something work. Yes, sir. As long as it tightens down, that's all that matters. Alrighty. So this battery ain't going nowhere. Y'all see? So now we'll take our negative. Some people have a certain way that they put it on. Oh, you gotta put the positive on first, or you gotta put the negative on first. Hey, just put it on. Just put it on. And be careful while you're doing it. That's it. Let me get my 10mm back on my ratchet. And we're gonna be done. 10mm back on. As y'all can see, I'm doing this with one hand. So if I can do this with one hand, you can definitely do it with two hands. By yourself. You don't have to pay nobody all this money to put a battery in your car. The battery already costs enough. I mean, these batteries, I mean, to get one, you paying at least $150 for a battery. $150 to about $250, depending on the battery that you get, where you go and everything. But that's it. Oh man, y'all ain't tell me. I forgot to put this cover on. So I'm gonna do this off camera. I will unhook this battery again, put this cover on, and then I'll get back with y'all, man. But the battery is installed. That's all it is to it. That's it. All right, people, just like that, we back. I got the protective cover put around the battery. We got everything torqued down. Now is the moment of truth to see if the car will start. Do I have the battery? I mean the key? I think I got it in my pocket. So, foot on the brake, finger on the button. I don't have the key, y'all. Oh yeah, I do. There you go. Car is started. Everything is reset, like your clock and everything. So we're gonna go to settings. Close this so we can see. So whenever you change your battery, everything resets. So we're gonna change the clock. We're gonna do the 12-hour clock. Date format, month, day, year is fine. Set clock manually. So it is the PM. And man, what time is it? Let me look at my watch. It's almost 1 o'clock. So yeah, we'll just say 1 o'clock. Oh, it's already set at 1 o'clock. All right, the day is the 25th. It's my dad's birthday, y'all. Shout out to my dad. 67th birthday today. So month is 2 and year is 25. So now we got this set up. It's 1 o'clock p.m. It is February 25th, 2025, after the battery install. And that's it. And she running, y'all. All right, so that's it for the video, man. I appreciate y'all tapping in. Hopefully everybody got some out of the video. If you didn't know how to open your hood, if you didn't know how to prop your hood up, If you didn't know how to install a battery, hopefully you learned something today, man. That's what I'm here for. If you already knew how to do it, great. I appreciate you tapping in anyway just to show your support. But yeah, continue to show support. I'm gonna continue to show support to all of you as well. Don't forget to hit that like button if you hadn't already. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so be notified when we're dropping these videos. I'm out. Catch y'all on the next one.